Struggling with allergies, pet dander, or poor indoor air quality? Finding the right air purifier can transform your home environment. Today, we're counting down the top 5 air purifiers that deliver exceptional performance without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Number 5. At number 5, we have this HEPA air purifier with aromatherapy function, perfect for anyone wanting clean air with a relaxing atmosphere. The HEPA filtration captures dust, pet dander, pollen, odors, and smoke effectively. What makes this special is the aromatherapy feature, letting you add essential oils for pleasant ambiance. It operates whisper quiet, ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. The compact design fits easily in small spaces. User-friendly controls make operation simple. Multi-stage filtration ensures thorough cleaning with low decibel operation for all-day use. Energy-efficient design keeps costs low. If you're seeking an affordable way to improve indoor air quality while enjoying aromatherapy benefits, this is excellent. The combination of effective purification and mood enhancement makes it stand out. For those interested in purchasing, find the link in the description and comments below. Number 4. Coming in at number 4 is this compact HEPA air purifier designed for small spaces. Don't let its size fool you. This powerhouse delivers impressive air cleaning. It features genuine HEPA filtration, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles including pet dander, dust mites, pollen, and odors. Perfect for bedrooms, home offices, dorm rooms, or smaller living spaces. Exceptionally quiet operation won't disturb sleep, work, or relaxation. The sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor with intuitive controls for easy operation. Energy efficient for continuous use without worry about electricity bills. Replacement filters are affordable and readily available for straightforward maintenance. Whether you have allergies, pets, or simply want fresher air, this compact purifier delivers reliable performance at an attractive price. Check the description and comments for the link to grab this compact air cleaning solution. Number 3. At number 3, we're featuring this H13 True HEPA air purifier with innovative scented sponge. Engineered for large rooms up to 1076 square feet, suitable for spacious living rooms, master bedrooms, or open areas. The H13 True HEPA represents hospital-grade technology, capturing microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns efficiently. What sets this apart is the scented sponge compartment, letting you customize air with natural fragrances while purifying. Operating at 25 decibels on low settings, quieter than a whisper, won't interrupt conversations, sleep, or work. 3-speed fan settings give control over purification intensity. Sleek, contemporary design features minimalist aesthetics complementing modern decor. Filter replacement indicator takes guesswork out of maintenance. With powerful large room coverage, whisper-quiet operation, and unique scented sponge, this offers exceptional value. Anyone interested can find the link in the description and comments section. Number 2, taking number 2 is this ultra-quiet H13 HEPA air purifier with 3-stage filtration. Built for large spaces up to 1076 square feet, it's a serious air cleaning machine. H13 True HEPA works with pre-filter and activated carbon filter for comprehensive purification. This system removes dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, cooking odors, and volatile compounds. At 25 decibels on lowest setting, it's genuinely one of the quietest available, barely noticeable. Intelligent Auto Mode uses sensors detecting air quality and adjusts fan speed for optimal performance. Filter indicator reminds when maintenance is needed, typically every 6 to 8 months. Modern cylindrical design with touch controls gives premium look for any room. Perfect for bedrooms for better sleep, offices for improved focus, or living rooms for family comfort. Energy-efficient operation means 24/7 use without concern. To purchase, check description and comments for the direct link. Number 1. Our number 1 pick is this smart air purifier with PM 2.5 display and intelligent sensing. Most advanced option, perfect for those wanting complete control over air quality. Covering up to 1095 square feet, ideal for large living spaces, open floor plans, or multiple rooms. Standout feature is real-time PM 2.5 display, showing exactly what's in your air, providing transparency and peace of mind. Built-in sensor monitors environment and automatically adjusts purification levels. True HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including allergens, bacteria, mold spores, and dust. Multiple modes include auto, sleep, and turbo settings matching different situations. Programmable timer lets you schedule operation for convenience and energy savings. Sleek digital interface with intuitive controls makes operation effortless. This represents best combination of performance, features, and value. Find the link in description and comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.